I just transferred 3,000 dirhams into my Interactive Brokers account directly from my UAE bank account. No international wire fees, no conversion fees, completely free. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step right now. Hello fellow Arbab, it's time to boss your money. I'm Kenneth and I've been working in finance and audit for almost 2 decades now, and I use Interactive Brokers personally every single month for my investments. And I want to show you something that will save you both time and money every single time you invest. So the old way of funding Interactive Brokers from the UAE meant sending USD to an American bank account via international wire transfer. And your bank, the intermediary bank, and the beneficiary bank would all take a little cut for the privilege of moving your own money around. It wasn't a disaster, but it was annoying and honestly just unnecessary. Here's what's changed. Interactive Brokers now has a dirham account funding option through FAB, which means you can transfer AED directly from your UAE bank account straight into your Interactive Brokers account. And if your bank offers free local transfers, the whole thing costs you absolutely nothing. Let me walk you through exactly what I did. I logged into my IBKR account, went to transfer and pay, and then deposit funds. You'll see the option to select your currency. Go ahead and select UAE dirhams. Then select bank transfer and click get instructions. IBKR will now give you a set of beneficiary details to save into your bank. The two things you really need to pay attention to here are the IBAN, which is the FAB IBAN, and the payment reference. The payment reference is critical. It's your Interactive Broker account number and your name. Do not skip this part. If you don't include it, IBKR won't be able to match the transfer to your account and things will get delayed. Now I went into my Mashrak app, but you can do this from whatever bank you use. Went into the fund transfer section and added Interactive Brokers LLC as a new beneficiary using that FAB IBAN. The account type is company and the beneficiary country should be United States. And the address is the address mentioned in those funding instructions. Just copy exactly what IBKR shows you. And here's something worth flagging. On the IBKR instructions page, you will see two addresses. One is the bank's address in Abu Dhabi and one is the beneficiary address in the US. Make sure to enter the beneficiary address of IBKR when the bank asks you for the beneficiary address when you're creating the beneficiary. Do not mix these two up. Then I sent the transfer amount, 3,000 dirhams in my case, selected personal investments as the payment category, and added that payment reference into the payment note field. Again, the reference has to be in here. Hit send, and once the transfer is initiated, you can paste that transaction reference number back into the deposit notification you created in IBKR. And that's it. The Mashrak transfer was free. It landed in IBKR instantly, and there is 3,000 dirhams sitting in my Interactive Brokers account ready to put to work. And by the way, you can also do this through Wise if you prefer. IBKR has a direct Wise balance transfer option right there on the deposit page. Same idea, just a different option. If you haven't set up your IBKR account yet, there is an affiliate link in the description and in the pinned comments. Costs you nothing extra and helps support the channel massively. And if you want to understand what IBKR actually is and why I use it, watch this video. And now that the money is in, what am I actually doing with it? Watch this video next to see my full portfolio breakdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are pushing for that 10K milestone. Yalla Arbab, go boss your money.